Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we'll review some mathematical concepts regarding how to solve the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are algebraic equations that have the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Considering this form, the discriminant of a quadratic equation is the value b squared minus 4ac. This value goes inside the square root of the general quadratic formula and determines the type of the solutions that we will have. If the discriminant is positive, d greater than 0, the quadratic equation has two real roots. When d is less than 0, the quadratic equation has no real roots. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the quadratic equation has a repeated or double root. A, B, and C are coefficients, and x represents the variable you are solving for. Then we have this general formula which allows us to solve any quadratic equation is the following: x equal minus b plus and minus radical b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's jump into Android Studio and start creating this application. Open Android Studio, create a new project, select empty views activity, and I'll name it as quadratic equation solver. Click finish. The first step is to design the layout. Go to the activity underscore main, and we need to use the data binding library. So for that, you go to the Gradle scripts. Inside the Android scope, I need to add build features and I need to use data binding equal to true. Sync the project. Data binding library is added successfully. And I prepared this background image. It's beautiful to be my background for this layout. I'll place it inside the drawable folder and I'll use the background at drawable back. And here we go. This is our layout. I'll change this text view and I'll remove it and I'll add 3 edit texts. Then I need to create a button, drag and drop it, and infer the constraints. And the last step is to create a text view to display the result and the solution of this quadratic equation. So this is our app layout: 3 edit texts, 1 button, and 1 text view. The second step in adding the data binding library to our application is to create the layout tag and add here inside this tag. I need to add these namespaces. So I'll cut these and paste them here inside the layout. So till now we created our app layout: 3 edit texts, 1 button, and 1 text view,